Royal TV. Edikanfo wa mamrem ne ye.
Medencha sonko komado for Royal Entertainment so enyina nyamishamo na onyemo kese se de bia brebia mojemre na mo share eme nana ya bia man so enemy mo entertainment perfect bakope evergreen ladies. Hey, I was there already exam no wa go bia na say the me country wo na wo ko bia wo bi social media I say de dwa na the blogger baako oba na ni ati ebrema ni ba the wo veyi aba the great thing and that exposure kese a wode akwama Empress Gift adoye that is a gospel singer aha ezebio ka kire de abusua akire me koba na me sim na hu se de bia me ka je de zen na ezika kokko ensemo kan na de no Samson ana Sam Adetofio ne hu se nsemi titi taxi enye taxi driver no worry we dey wa basi baba ne car na kwase wo kwanje ezazi woni obi an waboa da bia srade da bia wodi ade gara go bi deka ena wodi sembia ba onu ani video bi twagu amono aso aba be kan num sika wasa de eni nipa wodi sika ne bia kan ho enye ono ngoa abusia mere esha se dia na Empress Gift adoye ai na enu meka ya kire wan sa na wa go kaze ena blogger ben sembe no waka waka na ya bia ma de obetutu momoni ahye nti sada aba the great oba blogger na ni ase den near the business penny I don't know now I say it here gift you surprise me you are a horrible person community one no self forget trying outsmart the vulnerable no person with the spirit of God in her would do what I know you've done. I won't spill. I want anxiety mixed with suspense to eat you up. I pray God delivers his own from your shackles. Okay. You are no child of God. I say this with full chest. Not just what doing. We're covering the boso pa. Says some crossing and we're doing. We're bringing any money to any idea. May I pray God deliver his own. Oh, my kind. Okay. If you have issues, both spiritual and physical, dear friends, please go in your room, shut the door, kneel and pray to God, the creator of heaven and earth. Cry out to him and he will answer. And some return and say, Ghana phobia I am who's the Empress ye video. Nan ye video and everyone kuma bubu aka mo bompaye wo tonum ni ade. E mo kuma bubu say one na ye hu nyame one na na ye de hu manya mo say boboa. And then wo bompa wo de sha wo dem na bompaye. Na nyum to fo ma ni bi okro mu a wo simu a wo simu so waka so obeye bibia wo di nyamenyum ni etrete nani so aba the great in some aka bi nunu o maka ma na si ni wo hu de o peso wo kire wo se meye ni pa dan ko da bi okrom na krom wo yenim o wana eni mu otama komiti wane wana na eni mu otama krampo ana oba no achinchi wani ase na ayi obi sa maami are ni tire hu let ni tire we video bi ni Ghana fo bi yan ebi mo ya huntum wase obi tire wa dai sawo ba breakfast maami ada na ade wa de anu aye polisi awo ba wo bia ba ni video na sa video mi ana ma fa ma kire se wonu na wo ba be ka denti a wo sia ni kun wobs na doye ene wo fa ni twe etanse wo sia be ma so woni kun woni yere ni yere frim eno no so se me so ma ja me confiance ya ne ejibiti we me de ba de be da za kwa adakwa eno se ya ne ya for denti ankantom ai that is osimu eno grade alongside probia no are ni tiro make baba what tiro the video for come machine na wo sia yanka
won define slay queen mama why because am say oh and Doris say bisane Doris say really and you are following her me person me bisa wona nyame nim o Mrs. Righteous ama dina wona nyame nim o south page ni so hwe wona nyame no kasaba fu gebe ne bo for Michael o mo no ye adwuma enye problem why are you here what's her ye den enkofo ye righteous no nko mu page me na me ye unrighteous na yesu kra wa mba ma righteous people me say no oba ma me mundi find the word slay queen. Do you know what is slay? Ma bon reading kra mu nim ko di kono ko hwehwe meaning of slay ade e friend is slay say oba what dressing What dress your dress is on point. And your friend is slay. We slay. You've slay. Oh my God. You slay. You slay like a queen. Sa word in a problem. And you atarina na wunya sika nkoto bi na yo problem. Anase wonni bia na wo ohia na ade kasa. Serious o. What better say slay queen unni sika no nti atarina me hye ne how. Unni o. Me so atarina me hye na ye company bi niama se me hye na me nton ma no. Ena me ton company ni niama.
Ejiabua na akukokro chezu dizukra wendu to ne huza. That is eno so ebinu. I was about the great in summer with Yakama Empress Gift no ebinu say. If you have issues both spiritual and physical, dear friends, please go in your room. Shut the door, kneel and pray to God, the creator of heaven and earth. Cry out to him and he will answer. You. Never put your hope in any person, thinking God will hear their prayer on your behalf. God listens to everyone. Once you go to him with a grateful heart and you put your request before him, he will do it in his own time. Okay, so remember not your time. I can't attest to such grace. Don't let no one fool you into believing they have the ticket to your breakthrough. Hey, and then your son now the yes go. Why you say change? Every two super now say there's a minute this go to crowd fan home. Go to crowd fan home. As you wanna Nimono. One inquire, would you go? Nimono, what is Yana and some about the great economy we on my what is the Cromono Biashana? Oh, Mammy, then what for? Any idea that be America? And you want to will be out to will be our crying. I'm a friend. No, Sanya was so for be our home, ne whom more dear Juma, and I said, Yame more dear, what Timas will point be as well. So for work on us, over you now, simple, Mose, or Bible. Aye. Was up for Blancois, would you ever to tomb was Obia on it, the Obia to the real call for Sumi Yame, and to want me, my one thing, make us away a fake. I'm the great Ghana for some in council. Adiana, I was not the wife, Empress Gift already. I do to me turn once or two and will bring me, and as some more can and Brabon will leave it, and I thereby did a debate will be better as well when Yan was selling them one pie. Sister. And then the other can be phone and no master, maybe I can. Now only Bonnie be moody. Young I won't you, yes, to more day. Namia drum near Tiase. What be kind of one other tower noom. Any poor animals as you soon as I see any pa. What will Bonnie print to Sweating in I say? Then you call about your bonnet, and I know what I say bonnet. Now I know enemy to my own mama who miss me chiamo. One more muja, dear mother, who said, dear, what your own mean, papa. Now do I know any innocent is one way. See, Mamma say, no, Mamma can some not gonna for me for will be some month for Timus, and the Empress gift to be to our who ya no can. Empress gift to send what yes, all your bow. I didn't know there's some putting clothes, not run and was mobile in Yasam, or to only what time. Now some walker. It's a month for me, Mamma for some month of Wasi. Will be the video about can I put us into Mamma Empress. That's low. Next time, we'll ban the video be a by a part of drink with two cacra. From my dear and you was them. And yes, sir, them crown I would have patches, says you would throw your 2 years. And then we draw we crowd from once years so far home. Aye. Million two bus, I may me two come up Johnny. What be I am so from Munino. Dem as a hell, young 3 years ago, my dear. I just said that. I was a and some no, I saw. And then. Why when himself on social media assemble a copy? Titi, abani panka na sem. As some never in Tiasia so. Who said the other custom say? Ghana for we said it to me the insist form. Video ya double and Tiamoya who says she company for the amount. Sika and penny for MPP penny for what Ben would the amount, yes, Sikaba. 50K vice president, the was the 40K, and son of Rahim quoted the hour so the marble so me. Na no abeka wo se wone ne ba wo ma ne bank bi so afa bi koto taxi fanye djuma e ma to afa bi koto asase ensem ne de buburbe ye to video ne ba
say on record say before all of them I had a call and the person said he was speaking from the office of the chief of staff.
Okay, interesting.
Now Abisami said me no my eyamumu ana and I'm saying I say okay. So they sent 40,000 directly into my Momo account.
40,000.
40,000.
And this is different from the vice president.
No. They were the first people. What you say?
Means yes, yeah.
What you say?
In fact,
no offering.
When you are called from Obi, or see of referee, chief of staff.
Chief of staff of
and
office.
officer say would not me and I will see high.
And they pay straight into my account.
Or send 40,000.
40,000 to my account. And son,
no, sis, that's the kind of for them.
For Odi Buami, I say chief of staff. Omudi Buami.
Okay, answer na mampenyin bed change so the 50,000 buy no.
Inti Mitrahokum, and I realize I need to be very careful.
And it is 40k no and also there then.
So what trakwan ama trada ubehu say ya tutu amra bebre wokwani so. Inti ukoto gravel
you need to feel the
whole feel amra wa tutu no ansana ye the gravel no be go so na ye be fi asa fale.
I'm interested in we see ya no part say ebi mu wo obi ya what does hold tokro wa ho ebi mu wo tokrum enti wo send you gravel la so mo feel tokro no no mo ba level ground ansana on to me nka say okay I can now walk enti semeti wa say ya eka wo fie
eka
yare so be bo
adinu wo yare
enti 40k
you are a single parent ukuta nkwada miensa no ma do babia on the threshold of adulthood na ye say wo bu a omu no muntu min gira ye e na wo nso na wo ye yarefo yi na nkrofo na sebi omu bu a wo kakra enti wonya sika
pressure wo dada
enu na me ka kire.
Let me ask two questions and I take a quick break. Rent to no enu na dey asen when you na buy.
Fine.
How far with that challenge?
Na buy no. So who say papa no say for 5 years. And I me too me who say so say. Ubo first as can no to rent sa da bia no. After 5 years now why? Until that was why I bought the land.
Okay.
Na say me was asase na sabi regional minister isika ba na kakra me tuto cement block kakra say 1 year 2 years later I could do something na me nkwada no so now all
so that was the idea.
That was the idea.
Okay.
What you must say enti
me clarity kakra. That was the idea of buying the land. But the question is the challenge of the rent, no. How did you solve it? Has it been solved?
Oh yeah, challenge of the rent, no. I paid 1 year.
Okay.
Say yes, according to government, you know. And no landlord should charge should ask for more than 6 months rent. But you can say until now you can no. And I meet you 1 year.
Okay.
Until minimum say up to I think next September or so.
This year September.
February way next year say half a quarter. Now ka 6 more months. Just endra me the landlord no ni nua penhia na on the fie no my no. Me no kasai.
Okay.
Until he clarified it for me. And I say okay. So say at least for the next 6 months dear
you are safe.
Me bet to me ahumi kakra. And
and some so dia na titi was mention of taxi driver fame. Taxi and ya taxi driver no ribe sam re no kra na bia na oria. Sam re na bia na me na bia kra na me hwe pa. So kai na the top 50 bia na o si Anthony Mumfrewa and na upie na wan spray mu kra na first no amutu mu share sam re. E bi mo wa woni na just some no ebinu so samra fa baby no arehu yi fa baby arehu sanse na sinitwafo ni dodo na say ayo maniwu sinitwafo dodo na say awusie gom ho adwuro mo se titi ade ayo kwa na wuham wo na no ayi kuma wo doctor ba ko ana Hollywood papa won want to brafo ma mbo ni obi William Ado papa ba bonte se wo hia nikanika na nie anase ba bi o won light pro ni bi wo ye mu anu sa se betwa mu pasu bi enti wo asem bi papa isa ma bonte bio na titi Ghana for se me kan to se papa respect I ma odo ama for do nti Ghana ha anu te be bu ma ba so enti o ma Ghana da bi just o ze butantim no enti na sumdua ya o ma mu ma no esa se mpanifo ni bi wa komapa se bi wo mu na anya 90% wo mu a o mo ye tinti asem beto wo bi aboa na kebeda na ehu se chief of staff yi papa watimi aboa de sika sei akwa koma 40k yante wo da sen na wonu aboso amayate ana sika na wasimi ye investment mi invest wo invest wo kogomu kana fo bi na ebisa wo di chade ba di mu wo de nyina akwa koma abaso onto kan to kota sase mo ene nkro ni bi aniwo mu ni so wo ba wa no ayede ya for tipempem wo papa be dress ni twa mu mu anya ne ba wo fedi free mu anya ne advert nkuma no twitwa odi sika ma ono wadi wanum enkra ni bi mo awofo ni yimo yiriye mu ade titi ba bonche se wa hwe ne ba na enti wonyi ni wo se wo hwe wa wo so dia na wo se wo princess form enwa ma Ghana fo nya no enso bia na nya papa photo ene leftover na wo sre amafo bi ade ni odua beto bonten kasa sif se papa woto ne responsible woto wei se bi previous a won na sumye so woto wei mafo bi na eka ho se bi previous a na fui efutanka eno no ye nwaduma anso nte sa ni babi wo si jisika ifa ko taxi na nyina ye nidi hu pasa se mame anu hu se ma ko sisai tesi awunya asase a process ni so ya di mu o afa na abekwa to foundation akopa sika ebekọ dan mu no entwempo se onsa beka o ba sa sika no ana no so wi aba stressre papa to bo ase Ghana obi ya so ayesi o na ga wadi se bebo kro mu ayesi ama for bro man mu so yen kan asem na nyame ayado no abeka 50 40 ba papa na ka odi enko wawie also rented dia ma obi se fokotua 50k a wo de o ba be church say 50 no wo de 30 azaze na yi ni ade a ayi anu nkoda na de me o pa we go to mu de enso akwesi sen ana de free ayi office of chief of staff wo anu su sika no so 40k na ade papa embasa na duma na sem ne beti biu ani ye beso wa be da koda da do amanfo sem bi ebi mu ka obonten no airtime ba me de be ye say Ghana fo ye mu ntwa so ye nyanya mo ni bi ye pan so abasa ebia na project ko de akosemu na ni da so bi ba enti ye hwete papa ya besa ba bonti abeka no kwakere enu ani hia that is it abusia me come in sema na me fa NC Enterprise Gifty adoye sema na me fa NC sema Abba the Great blogger wabeka afa friend Enterprise Gifty adoye wono wa me to wase ma bonti ma me kasa ho ne ade say wusu ba be ye ntuni ana public figure husam de do so ba bloggers no wonto mo bo no obi hu asem kra na ya wonto mo bo ase ebe de dwane we ababontina we na fa ye we na fa audio video na fa no so trend wo yi waduma ye na ho nte na so ko samanfo secret no amanfo hu nsem obi hu asem wo ba so de wontimi nto ne nko ba wo tanse yi nyina no obi a ehu awasem sanso ana titi ye de ye se wa amanfo se me kan se ye danya dachi bia no bibi papa betimi e finance rekaba ye ntwen yanum so ntwen wo pe na ye dan a project ko so di sika na ko shemu enfa so ama na se Ghana project wa pe ye ni wo bi ka o na di ono ebi mu fantum hofo se obi yi ni sika de mawa tu ni botom a aya so sa sika ni mu fa ye bibi ni pa no wo ma obi a na pe se on ye hu odi wodoni akoma pa nti na je se next time bibi sa sipe ebe hold responsible me de juma de ni nyina ese share subscribe my abibiara Royal Entertainment. Malaya Biamanso, any meeting Macrobia.
Royal TV, and the